Hi everyone. In the previous class, we have seen the concept of subqueries, right? And also we have seen how to use various kind of subquery operators like in, any, all, exist, and not exist operators, right? Now in today's class, we'll see one important keyword, that is limit keyword, right? So guys, basically what is the use of limit keyword means? So when you are going to write select star from some table name, it is going to produce all the rows that are available in the table. Like for example, if thousands of records are available, those thousands of records are going to produce in the output, right? I don't want like that. I want to restrict my output side to some 10 records. Then I can go for the keyword called limit keyword, which is meant for simply use it to restrict number of records that should be displayed at the output side. For example, if I are going to write select star from friend details, it's going to produce all the friend details, but I would like to restrict, then I'll go for writing it as limit 5. Means it is going to produce only 5 rows out of those hundreds of rows. Okay, there is another way you can write, like you can pass two parameters. One is one is starting location, or I can call it as a starting index position, and then number of records you want to get from the corresponding position, right? This defines the index position, where it defines number of records you want to get from that position. Okay, fine. If I'm going to write something like this, select star from details, limit 1 comma 5. What is the meaning of this one? It is going to start from first index position, meaning that rows are going to counted from 0 1 2 and so on, first index position, and it will get 5 records. Okay, now let's see how this will behave in the MySQL. Okay, so here I have taken the complete details about friend details data by using a query called select star from friend details. Now I don't want to have all the 14 rows. I want to print only top 5 rows. Select star from friend details, and I am going to use only 5 records, right? So I will use the keyword called limit keyword, limit 5. If I enter, try to observe, it is going to produce only top 5. This is 25, 26, 23, 27, 29. The same thing will be observed here. Okay, fine. So for example, I want to get it from first index position to uh, five rows, then I will get like this. Observe now. So which is like 26 to 3 plus 26 to 30, right? Same observe, 26 to 30, 60. So like this, you can able to use the limit keyword.